Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now, this week's episode.
The Queen of November nights rides high on Thanksgiving. Greetings, greetings, fellow stargazers. Some constellations are easy to find and some are difficult. But one of autumn's most famous constellations is very easy to find any night in November because she is at her highest from sunset to midnight. And she'll be fun to look for after Thanksgiving dinner. Let me show you. Go out between 8 and 10 p.m., look due north, and you'll see 5 bright stars, which if you connect with lines, trace out a squashed out letter M. This is the constellation Cassiopeia, named for a legendary queen of exceptional beauty of ancient Ethiopia. But how does this squashed out M shape remind anyone of a queen? Well, if we add a dim little star to the 5, we can trace out a nice stick figure of Cassiopeia's throne. At this time of year and night, however, she'd have to be glued to it or wear a seatbelt because she is hanging face downward over the North Star. Now, if you look directly opposite Cassiopeia, on the other side of the North Star, close to the horizon, you will see the Big Dipper. And one of the nifty things about Cassiopeia and the Big Dipper is that they circle endlessly around the North Star, always opposite each other, like the hands of a clock. One hand on 6, the other on 12. For instance, if we move forward in time by 6 hours, you will notice that Cassiopeia's throne is almost upright and the Big Dipper has moved to the right of the North Star. 6 hours later, Cassiopeia is beneath the North Star and the Big Dipper is above it, and so on. A great celestial clock, which incidentally is one of the functions these two constellations served for our clockless ancestors. But why, you may ask, would anyone put a great queen on a sky throne when her throne is so often upside down in a precarious position? Well, it seems that Cassiopeia claimed that she was the most beautiful creature on Earth, which didn't sit very well with certain ancient deities. So as punishment for her vanity, she was placed in the heavens on her throne and forced to ride around the North Star for all eternity, sometimes in a queenly upright position, but more often in a less than royal posture. And Cassiopeia still serves as a cosmic object lesson to mere mortals who brag of their personal beauty. Today, Cassiopeia is marked by 5 bright stars, but 473 years ago this month, in November 1572, astronomers all around the world watched a new star slowly grow in brightness, a star which outshone every other star in the sky for many weeks and which was visible for over a year. We now know that it was a giant exploding star called a supernova, but all that remains in this spot now are the ghostly echoes of its shattered remnants still flying at great speed through space and time. So, get thee out and look for an ancient queen whose vanity done her in, and who once had a superstar visitor, which gives the name superstar a whole different meaning. Invite a queen to your Thanksgiving feast and keep looking up.
Make the Stars Your Own is available on DVD or VHS for $19.95.